Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing Awaken OS based on Android 14 on the Poco X2. This is a custom ROM that brings a fresh look and feel to your device. Before we start, I want to emphasize that flashing custom ROMs can void your warranty. Proceed at your own risk. Also, make sure you have a complete backup of your data. For this tutorial, we'll be using TWRP recovery. You can find the download links for TWRP and Awaken OS in the video description. You will need an unlocked bootloader on your Poco X2, ADB Fastboot drivers installed on your PC. You need to boot into Fastboot mode. For that, turn off your phone. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously until you see the Fastboot mode screen. Now need to flash the TWRP image. For that, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Open a command prompt or terminal window. Navigate to the directory where you saved the TWRP recovery image. Type the following command and press enter. Replace TWRP recovery.img with the actual name of your TWRP file. After flashing the recovery image, we need to boot into recovery. For that, turn off your phone. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until you see the TWRP recovery logo. In TWRP, swipe to allow modifications, go to wipe. Select Dalvik, cache, data, and internal storage. Swipe to confirm the wipe, go to advanced wipe. Select data and type yes, swipe to confirm. Now, if you want to use the sideload method, then you can use it. I'm going to use my pendrive for installation, so connecting my pendrive containing the firmware to my phone using an aux adapter. In TWRP, go to install. Navigate to the firmware file and select it. Swipe to confirm the flash. In TWRP, go to install. Navigate to the Awaken OS ROM file and select it. Swipe to confirm the flash. Once the flashing process is complete, go back to the main menu and select Reboot. Choose System. The first boot might take a few minutes. Enjoy your new Awaken OS installation. Consider backing up your important data before flashing a custom ROM. If you encounter boot loops or other issues, try reflashing TWRP and wiping data again. Always check for the latest version of Awaken OS for bug fixes and improvements. That's it, you've successfully installed Awaken OS on your Poco X2. Explore the new features and customization options. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.